Hey, I'm editing a video and I pulled in a picture and the picture is sideways. I want to show how you can fix that problem. Most of what you can do to modify the appearance of an image or text is in the effect controls window. So number one, you want to make sure your playhead is over the clip that you're changing so that you can see what you're doing. Number two, you want to make sure you have that clip selected because that's going to affect what you're affecting. If you have something else selected, you may be changing that while you're looking at this and thinking it's doing nothing when really it's ruining another clip. So I got those things taken care of. Rotation is what will rotate it. You can, as you can see, hover over this and move to the right or left to make it rotate. But we know good rotation is 90 degrees. So I'm going to go 90. Well, now it's upside down. So I really wanted to go backwards. Probably 270 would have been good. But how about I just undo what I did. Okay, it's back to 0. And I'm going to go negative 90. Let's see how that goes. Okay. And now I got it how I want. I'm going to just drag the scale here so I can get it the picture where I want it. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to editing. I am also going to, I made a black matte video before, so let me just find that. Ooh, that's color matte. I want black video. Okay, so I'm going to just drag this down. And look, it still is the same length as the very clip I have selected. That's a great thing about getting black video. Notice some other things under here. You can add a transparent video and some other things, which maybe you'll want to explore later. But we've solved the problem. We've been able to rotate a video. Just another thing under effect controls.